Alright, so I'm sitting in the car, as you can see. I think I'm thinking I'm talking to somebody who can change everything for the next several months. I'll find out here really shortly, so be on the end of this video. But as of right now, I'm going to be out of work for over 6 months. So I saw a doctor yesterday. With Thanksgiving and Christmas, getting to a doctor was extremely difficult, and they were thinking it was something simple when it wasn't. So anyway, it looks like I have a torn rotator cuff in this shoulder right here. I can't really pick up my elbow all that much, and it's not because of the doors right here. I can move the forearm just fine, but yeah. Anyway, so I'm not going to be driving until sometime in June or July. That's what it's looking like right now. So yeah, that's where we're at on that. But I just got the text message. I gotta move on to, well, you'll see. Stay tuned. So this laptop right here, I'm still working on. But this one will be up for sale soon. I forgot exactly, it's a Dell something. This one is going to be sold here really quick. It's already up on eBay. Already got a bid on it for $550. And then this one right here is probably going to have to go back to Lenovo. I'm having an issue with it, and it's underneath warranty, so I need to give them a call on that one. I bought these two together. That one's separate from a different person. These here I just got from a business owner. He has 100 of these Samsung tablets. These are the A7s, and oh, there's a little ding right there. And I'm going to be meeting up with him later on this week to get even more of these, along with some other tablets and other IT gear that he has. They all come in these, or he has these cases for all these tablets. This one is in the case, so it's actually kind of nice. This one has already been, refurbished and ready to be sold. So yeah, these are. I'm gonna be busy. I'm gonna get all these listed today. That one is going to be sold. I need to call Lenovo on that one, and this one is going to get listed here pretty shortly. So yeah. I'm sorry, the camera's been a little shaky all day today. I know I did a video on the car. I gotta try to get back onto that. But man, I've been trying to hustle the best I can. I just got those 6 tablets listed. I got them listed for $155, $150. I think that's really fair. It comes with a screen protector, the case, a strap, and it's a A7 Samsung tablet. So, in like perfect shape. So yeah, I think that's really fair. Yeah. So there's gonna be some different content coming out from me. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. So if not, it is what it is, right? So thanks for watching. Please comment, like, rate, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next video.